In this video, I will show you how you can fix Discord gray screen. The first method that you can do is simply open up any browser that you are using and simply search for Discord login. And if you want to chat urgently, you can simply log in with your account and then you can reply to any messages. But if you want to fix the application of Discord, the first step that you need to do is clear the Discord cache. So to do so, you just need to press Windows plus R and simply search for %app data% and simply select Ctrl A and delete all of your files. Now Discord might be one of them, so make sure to delete it as well. Now right now the Discord is open, so I cannot delete this, otherwise you need to simply delete this. Next thing that you need to do is to refresh Discord. Simply press Ctrl R on your keyboard and this is going to refresh your Discord. Also run Discord as an administrator by right clicking and clicking on run as administrator. So this was the method of how you can fix Discord gray screen.